So, just when we thought the trade drama had cooled off a bit, boom, it's back. Markets climbed yesterday, but not without some serious side-eye at all the tariff noise. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, June 3rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. Now, the stock market yesterday ended mostly in the green. The Dow was basically flat, up less than 0.1%. The Standard & Poor's 500 rose about 0.4%, and the Nasdaq added around 0.7%, helped mostly by tech stocks doing their thing. But underneath those moves, there's a lot of geopolitical heat building up again. President Trump took another swipe at China, accusing them of breaking the Geneva tariff truce. China fired right back, saying the US hasn't held up its end of the bargain. So, yeah, whatever optimism there was around trade talks, it's pretty much gone for now. And just to spice things up even more, Trump said on Friday that he wants to double tariffs on steel and aluminum imports, from 25% to 50%. A federal court initially blocked the move, but a higher court came in and said, let's pause and think about it. So the tariffs are temporarily back on. Meanwhile, the European Union isn't having it. They pushed back hard on the steel and aluminum plans, which could make those upcoming US-EU talks even messier. Over in currency markets, the US dollar dipped as investors factored in all this trade tension. Gold prices rose too, which is what usually happens when things feel shaky. And finally, the economic calendar is heating up. All eyes are now on Friday's non-farm payrolls report. That one's going to be huge. It'll tell us how the labor market is holding up with all this tariff uncertainty and what that might mean for interest rates. Oh, and one more thing. Manufacturing in the US isn't looking too hot. According to new data out yesterday, activity kept shrinking in May, and imports fell to their lowest level since 2009. So, yeah, bullish May is behind us, and June's already starting with some trade fireworks. That's your 2-minute recap of what moved the markets. Catch you tomorrow morning for another Capital Markets Quickie.